Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima door handle. This is a straightforward repair that you can definitely do yourself with the right tools and a little patience. We'll go through each step, from preparing your workspace to enjoying your new, functional handle. Expect this project to take roughly 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your experience level and how quickly you work. First, we need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic clips or the panel itself. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors for components like window switches or door locks. Finally, you will find 2 or 3 bolts, usually 10 mm, holding the old door handle in place. Unscrew these to free the handle. Now, let's install your brand new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into its designated spot and secure it tightly with the 2 or 3 retaining bolts you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and properly aligned. Before putting the door panel back on, reconnect all the electrical connectors you previously detached. This is a crucial step to ensure all your door's functions work correctly. For our final step, it's time to reassemble the door. Carefully align the interior door panel with its mounting points and gently press it back into position until all the clips snap securely. Reinstall any screws or fasteners that originally held the panel in place. Finally, give your new door handle a thorough test, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly from both the inside and outside. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.